Hi beauties, it's Jean with beautyandthestamper.com, and I wanted to show you, you guys have been asking, so I did what you asked. I went to the Temu app and purchased a few items. You guys, I can't wait to show you everything I got. So let's go ahead and start with some beautiful little earrings. These are, I think they were less than $2, and I got them for my daughter, her and my son, my daughter-in-law. My son and her were married on St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, so I bought these for her. She loves little clovers, and I thought these were beautiful, and for like $1.97, how can you go wrong? The next thing I got, I usually buy at the grocery store. If you don't know what these are, you stick this little tube in here, and then you twist and you push, and these little flowers come out that you stick on your toilet. It's just gel, and then every time it flushes, it grabs some of that gel and makes the toilet bowl nice and pretty smelling. So I got that. This was like $2. So great price, because I usually pay quite a bit more at the grocery store. Now these are for my paper crafting. This is a little box of Van Gogh items. So you'll see they're just little tiny pieces of paper. They're only one-sided, but they've got little pictures, some of his art, and I just thought this was really cool. And again, this was like less than $2. So it's funny because you don't get to choose which one you get. You just got, for this one, you just chose little paper things. And I opened it and I didn't know what it was. And I'm like, oh, this is just little works of art. This is that one artist. What's his name? What's his name? And I couldn't remember. I'm like, you know, the artist that chopped off his ear. And I couldn't remember. So I'm like, oh, well, I can't remember. I'll remember one. And then I closed the box up, and look at what it says right there. So I immediately knew. So that was good. I didn't have to wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning and yell out like, Van Gogh. I grabbed this. Oh, pardon this hair. You'll see where that came from in a minute, unless you already know if you watch my Instagram. But this one, there's silicone, and there's 4 of these. They make coasters, and then this makes a coaster holder. So once you make those 4 coasters, it's going to go right inside these holders. Now, of course, this doesn't fit because the silicone, the actual coaster is much smaller, and the actual holder is much larger. So they fit like this. So, but I got this. So if you work with resin at all, this is a fun little thing. They have lots of different resins. I also picked up this, I don't even know what it's called, a windshield wiper. So my hands, I cannot, if I'm sitting behind the steering wheel, I cannot go in and scrub into that film that gets on your window. So this allows me to get that. So it can get all the different angles, and you just hold it and move it, and it's very nice. So pick that up. It was like, I don't even know that it was $1. It may have been like 89 cents. But I always have to ask one of my little grandbabies, will you slide up in there and get that? So speaking of grandbabies, I picked these 2 little guys up for him. For both of them, one each. Do you know what they are? They're little glasses, and they're straw glasses, you guys. Remember those? So where you can drink, and the Kool-Aid or whatever goes around the straw. So I picked those up. I thought that would be a fun little gift for them, for their Easter baskets. I also grabbed one of the water bottles. This one was probably my priciest item, and it was like $3, I think. But it's one of those that you spray, and it takes a while to spray. It doesn't just go it goes like that. So there we go. I picked one of those up. Then I grabbed this little one. This was a keychain. I picked this one up for my son, and it says, "Be safe and don't do stupid shit." So I apologize for the language, but he's the kind that I could say that to. So grab that. I got something for my son, got something for my daughter-in-law. These were what I didn't know they were. These are called water beads. Oh, wait a minute. I do know what they are. These are the things that grow in your water. Oh my gosh, good thing I didn't glue them. I thought they were little like glass beads. So no, these are the water beads. You put them in the water and then they grow and they expand. Oh, good thing I figured that one out. I was a little disappointed in this, but now I am not. So now I need to find me a nice container to grow some water beads in. I love that you guys are here with me when I figure all this stuff out. If you have followed me for any length of time, you know that I love football. And so when they had these things, I think they were 97 cents. I don't know, but I would buy one sticker. I would buy a Cardinal sticker for that. But look at all of these. So I have stickers for all of my friends and their favorite teams. Oh, there's my Broncos sticker right there. That was my team before, the Cardinals. There's the 1-star review. But it's got there's the Rams. How fun is this? So now I'm looking for the Cardinals. Oh, here's the NFL sticker. We got the Steelers. There's the Bucks. Here it is. There we go. Saving the best for last. Let's see. The Commanders. And there we go, you guys. How cool is that? That's got all the different teams. I think that is really cool. And I'll tell you what, I'd pay $2 for one sticker, and yet it got the whole entire conferences. And then I need to find or show you the very last thing that I got. And you have to go check out my Instagram, you guys. It's Beauty and the Stamper, and it is this hairpiece, and it is bangs with long side wisps, and they look horrible on me, but all you do is you unclip it like that, you put it in your hair, and then you clip it down, and it gives you these bangs, right? Now, they look fine here, but as soon as you put them on there, they look like taped to my head so bad. They don't have any like good curl or anything like that like it's seeing. So I'm like, okay, well, these don't work, but that's okay. I didn't buy them just to wear bangs. I didn't buy them to wear bangs. I bought them to put them in my hair and remind me that I don't need to cut bangs. So once we saw this, we had the best time. They were less than $2, less than $2. Let's say they were $2. This was the best $2 purchase because I put them on, laughed, put them on my friend's hair, who she hardly has any hair at all. She like shaves her head practically, but she has enough hair that these fit in her. Oh my gosh, she looked so funny. And then finally, when I took them off, then we started going around and collecting all our dogs and putting them on the dogs. And I will put a picture at the end for you so you can see. But that was it, you guys. That's the the Temu app. I definitely thought it was worth it. It's things I would normally get, like this, paper crafting items. It's all stuff that I would typically get. And then now that I know what these are, I even buy these at the Dollar Tree, but I buy them already watered up. So now I have this whole bunch. And this was probably the most expensive now that I think about it. It was probably like $3 or so. But it's the clear ones, and so we can do some great crafts with it. So, all right, I will definitely use this in an upcoming craft. I hope you guys like this little haul. It was fun. I would definitely say go for it and try it out. And it came rather quickly. They send you shipping and everything like that. So, all right, beauties, I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!